Enjoy the job. I'm sure there are thousands of young nubile tellers out there simply dying to have a fun night with no strings attached.
Pack my what?
Your bags. Go up and pack them and let's get going. You were right. I've been punishing myself for too long. It's been unfair both on myself and the women I went out with. I love you, I guess. Sorry. I don't guess anything. Well, old habits die hard. I'll start again. I love you. And I want you to live with me.
Okay, ready. I've left a note for Wayne.
Let's go then.
Hey, what's going on? I'm moving out to live with Nick. I'll call and explain later. Pamela? Bloke doesn't want to go to sleep for too long around here, does he?
I would have called you. I'm going to keep in touch.
Do you have to go now?
Wayne, I am very fond of you, but I was only ever here temporarily. Don't panic, okay? You're gonna survive.
You reckon?
Of course you will. Everyone does. I'll see you soon. Ready? Can we take a right up here? Well, if we've got time. I'll just be a few minutes.
What happened? Forget something?
No. There's just one last person I'd like to say goodbye to. Sorry about this morning.
No, you're not. You're sorry I missed.
Oh, I'm not, actually. In retrospect, I'm very lucky I missed. Nick came around afterwards. Oh, he was a bit angry at first, but after he'd calmed down, we had quite a nice chat.
Oh, how nice.
Yes, it was. The upshot of it all is I've convinced him to be a one-woman man. We're going away together. He and I. Alone.
Don't make it sound like a resort commercial. You're a possessive bitch shacking up with a born bigamist. I'll give you 2 weeks if you're lucky.
I think I'll put you on our Christmas mailing list.
Oh, what a reckless waste of 30 cents.
Oh, no, money well spent. No, it'll just be a little yearly reminder. A little card that sort of brings you down to earth. Because despite having an ego the size of Africa, the plain fact is you lost. I've got the man. I'll have happiness. What have you got? What have you ever had?
Well, thanks for dropping in. It's always a pleasure. I like passing the time of day with someone who gets straight to the point. Nevertheless, having stated that point...
I'm going.
Good. Coming in for afternoon tea?
Yep. Huge back garden.
Yes, it is a good size.
Was someone here just now? We thought we heard voices.
Yes, briefly. An old ex-neighbour. No one important, certainly no one worth meeting.
Oh. Where's the tea? In the kitchen?
Yes.
Oh, it's okay, we'll get it. Come on.
I want to help. Wayne.
Love can happen now when it happened then.
Wondered at the time what love really meant.
When it came from nowhere. When it came,
It altered my life. Sons and daughters, love and laughter, tears and sadness and happiness. We will find out our sons and daughters are what we choose.